Belen displays are part of every Filipino family's Christmas tradition, but the Casa Gorordo Museum takes this tradition a notch higher, as they open the Gorordo Belen collection for public viewing.
This Belen is special because it does not only show the nativity scene. Normally, that is what is done in the Philippines. You show the manger scene or the nativity scene. But the Gorordo Belen has several scenes, no, from the New Testament and also the Old Testament. So it connects the entire salvation history, no. But the centerpiece, of course, is the birth of Jesus Christ.
The display commemorates the annual tradition of the Gorordo family to assemble a Belen for the Christmas season. It features nearly 200 pieces that make up 12 scenes from the Bible connecting the New Testament with the Old Testament.
For this exhibit this year, it took us 2 months to create this exhibit. We really wanted to bring out the story of the Belen in a different way, in a different light, so to speak. So we had to use, we had to be aided by some digital technology, some projections, to make it extra special for our visitors this year.
Tapping artists and electricians, the display took 2 months to prepare. It comes with animated lighting that lights up the Christmas scenes in chronological order, as well as projection that narrates the scenes. The Belen display is part of the regular Casa Gorordo Museum tour and is available this Christmas season during museum hours.
The museum is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Tuesdays to Sundays. I'm inviting everyone to see our house tradition, Belen sa Casa Gorordo. This is a very meaningful tradition, an exhibit of the traditional Filipino Belen that showcases the history of salvation.
The Christmas season is often flashy with its various festivities. With the Casa Gorordo Belen exhibit, we return to the purpose of it all, the Nativity of the Christ Jesus. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Rayad Guzman.